Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. Friends, in this video I'm going to tell you about iPhone battery saving tips. So how we can increase our battery timing and how we can save our battery for long time. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your settings. Scroll down, tab on battery. So tab on battery health and charging, and you can see here optimized battery charging. So tab on toggle and turn it on. So to reduce battery aging, iPhone learns from your daily charging routine, so it can wait to finish charging past 80% until you need to use it. So go back. And second tip is low power mode enabled. If you want, tap toggle and turn it on. Also, low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So help you to increase your iPhone battery timing. So go back. So friends, swipe on your screen and see background apps running in background. Close all the apps always to save our battery. And next tip is tab on settings and scroll down. Tab on privacy and security. So you can see here location services. You don't know about location services, is always use your iPhone battery and decrease your battery lifetime. So tab on toggle and turn it off. Location services will be disabled for all apps, but your personalized location services settings for apps will be temporarily restored if you use Find My iPhone to enable lost mode. So tab on turn off. So friends, when you need location services, then only use this services. So go back. So friends, next tip is scroll down your control center and you can see here dark mode option. Tab on dark mode and go back. Tab on settings. So friends, you can see here dark mode is enabled and our device is in dark mode and it's consume very low battery percent. So go back and scroll down again your control center and manage your brightness up and down. So friends, when you need high brightness, then up, and when you use in casual, then select your brightness in down mode and save your battery. So go back. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to save our battery from extra usage and increase your battery lifetime. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.